What? Go to Mike Alpha. Get off my taxiway.
I've got to be a little bit curious on this. Where in God's name are you going?
You don't need to tell me where you are. I have windows.
Hey, Rams Delta 435. We're Hotel Bravo, short of Alpha with 5 star.
Delta 435. If I, called your flagship, how would you feel?
You're unable to do everything, sir, that plane of yours, sir.
American 85, that's American 85. Well, you're not so heavy.
2250, you got precious cargo on board. My daughter and my granddaughter on board that plane. You are definitely cleared to land runway 4 right to wind 140 at 10, and welcome back from Atlanta.
Who is that?
Sir, that's JetBlue 707.
And you're where? And you're doing what? Short of who?
We are holding short of Alpha at Hotel Alpha, and we've got hotel.
I don't have a hotel out. You mean you're at hotel?
You better spank that boy tonight.
You guys should come up here one day. You'd enjoy it. You'd enjoy the show.